3 pieces. Have you ever made a Lego set before? Were you allowed Legos as a child? So is this the first Lego set you're doing yourself? Nervous? Hands sweaty? Okay, well, it's a small set. I already cracked it open. It's not many pieces at all. I'm going to be honest, about 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces are going to be the guy, and that's 2 pieces that are going to be like the little popcorn thing. So that's 6 pieces right there. So really, you only have like 37 pieces to mess around with. So, you ready?
One small problem.
What's up?
This is broken.
Yeah, it is broken.
The 2 heads rolling away.
We saw that on Amazon, if anyone's wondering. The customer complaint was the Legos arrived broken. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Hey, this guy doesn't have 2 faces.
No, the yellow guys usually don't. The small packets don't.
Got you.
Okay.
All right. Hey, look, I did a piece.
Okay, ready? So how many minutes in are we?
Not even 5, and I'm on step 4. Look at me.
Wow.
Smell me. Hello.
What up, Duck?
Duck came down to cheer me on,
Duck?
even though she didn't even know.
I didn't know. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Was I interrupting a YouTube video?
Oh my god. No.
On step.
6. I just
6.
finished step 6.
Okay, put that down. That's telling when it's in the box. That's saying put this aside for right now. Work on that.
What does that mean?
It's going to be like a catapult. Don't launch other pieces on it. It's with everything. They're taking safety precautions. But yeah, put that down and start on that. That's what that means. You got it? You get it when it means now by a catapult?
Oh. I'm doing it.
Do it.
I'm breaking the Lego rules.
Yes. That's what it means. Okay.
You want to try?
I've done it enough times with Legos. I'm a little bit more advanced than this.
I'm a noob. I can't help it.
Okay, very important thing with Legos right now.
Okay.
See step 10? See how that says times 2?
Yeah.
What do you think that means?
It means this one and this one with that one and that one.
You're already ahead of the curve. Look at you.
Yeah.
All right, you finished it. How do you feel?
I feel like you probably think I'm a huge liar because I got this together in less than 10 minutes.
No. So you just did your first Lego set. How do you feel?
Very excited. And also, I hate popcorn, but this is cute.
Yes, and we forgot to say, because you know we're professional YouTubers and all this, Lego City set 303645 and up. I think you're over 5, right?
I don't act it sometimes, but
I can tell with the popcorn, yes. All right,
But
so
also, and it ran about like $4 or $5. I don't know. I got them at Target and got what I could find.
so this is a new kind of video we're going to be doing. Scary wants to get into Lego since I built this one set for her, and she wants me to get the frickin' Lego Cinderella castle, and she wants to help with it. Well, if you're going to help go from 0 to 100, you got to at least be doing at least 15, okay?
Well, I have 2 more that I would like to get done tonight.
We will
So-
go through them, okay?
Yeah.
You happy with yourself? You should be. What do you think of Legos now?
I'm a little less anxious, but when I see the bigger bags that are full, I'm gonna get a little nervous.
We'll take it slow for some. All right? Thanks for tuning in, guys.
I liked that other one so much, I needed to do another one. And why not a train? Because trains are cool.
What's the set number?
30575.
59 pieces.
It's 59 pieces, and I got this at Target, and it was $4.99.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, want to try doing a time lapse? Okay. Crack the bag open. Let's see what we can do.
Sounds good.
Okay. Am I getting all the pieces?
Done.
What'd you think of this one?
I like this. This was really cute. It was easy and yeah,
19 steps.
19 steps. It's fun.